Homework for section 10.2. When anthropologists find skeletal remains, they need to figure out the height of the person. The height of the person in centimeters and the length of their metacarpal bone in centimeter were collected for 19 sets of skeletal remains. The data in the table are in the table below. Okay, so question A, state the random variable. So the axis, it's from the table, it's a length of metacarpal, right? And of, those are randomly selected, right? Set of skeletal remains. Okay. Y is height from the table, also we can see in the title, the height. Also randomly selected skeletal remains. Okay. Question number B. The symbol and value of correlation coefficient are follows. Round the final answer to 3 decimal places. Okay, the symbol for correlation coefficient is R. And to find it, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy this and go to StatCrunch. Okay, copy. Where is my StatCrunch? Here, edit, paste. Let me paste it here. Okay, return. Where we can insert, here it is. There we go, we insert it. Now, we need to get our correlation coefficient. So I'm clicking stat. Where is my correlation coefficient? Here it's regression. Simple linear. Okay, my x is our variable 1 and x2 is variable 2. Well, let me go back. I thought the title, oh, see? Title, it didn't, okay, this is what I will do. Hold on. I'm going to fix this. I don't want this, variable 1, it's x, which is our length. I just put length, I'm not going to put everything. Okay, and this is going to be our y. It's going to be height. And these two I'm going to clean. And I'm going to move this, these two. No? Okay, 46 and 169. And 169. Okay, and let me clean these two so there won't be duplicate. There we go. Let's start working. Stat. We click regression and simple linear. So x variable is going to be our length, y is going to be our height. And I think we have it, so we're going to click calculate. Where is my calculate? Here, compute. Here we have the table and my correlation coefficient is right here. 0.82771818. I guess we can round till, it was asking round till 3 digits. So it's going to be 8277, or it's going to be 828, I would say. Okay. Did I miss something? I have to admit, I was just doing so to make sure it's working, and I got 829, and now I have 828. Whatever. Okay, maybe you will get the same answer, correct answer. So 0.828. Let me plug in here. Eight to eight. Give me 1 second. Let me check here something. Yeah, on my desktop I copied, and I had 829. Okay, I guess that's because I copied, so I can use my desktop result 829. Yeah, I tried the same thing on my desktop StatCrunch, and it gives me 0.829 after I round it. Okay, so we keep that way. Let me put 829. Guess something is miscalculating on iPad. We'll see. Okay, so there is a strong, where is it? There is a strong 8 to 9 above 0.5, and when we have correlation above 0.5 and closer to 1, because maximum is 1, minimum is 0, so 0.5 is a 50-50 correlation. So the closer to 1, the stronger correlation it is. So there is, since we have 8 to 9, it's going to be the strong positive linear relation between length and height. Okay, next question. The symbol and value coefficient. Value of the coefficient of determination are as follows. It's going to be our coefficient of the determination is r squared. So I'm not going to, I'll show you where to pick it up, but I'm going to take the value from my desktop, because desktop is showing more precise answer. And it's going to be, here it is, right below r correlation coefficient, r squared, 0.685. Okay, let me compare to my result. Here it's here it says on the desktop it says 0.687. So I'm going to go with the desktop result 687. I have no idea. I guess that shifting these numbers up there, or I missed something there. I don't know. But you are going to work most likely in StatCrunch on desktop with copy paste. So you will have it correct also. So this is going to be 0.687. Okay, you know what? Let me submit it. Let me check it, make sure we got it correct. Yeah, so desktop shows 687, it shows incorrect. Okay. Well, let me try then this one, 685, 0.685. That will be crazy if one answer from StatCrunch on desktop, the other one answer on StatCrunch from iPad. Jesus Christ. 0.685. Okay, let's see. No, I didn't put 5. Let me put 5. Okay. Wow. Wow. I have no words. So this 8 to 9, I took it from StatCrunch output on desktop, and 0.685 from desktop it's considered as wrong, and took it from iPad. Anyway, but make a note that in 10.2, question number 1, C, right? B and C. If watch out if you get a slightly different, straight running to me so I can give you credit. Okay? And from here, interpretation. So at the 0 point, at the 685, meaning 68.5%, right? 68.5% of the variation of y. Variation in y. Okay. Can be explained by the linear model with length, because y is our the x our length of metacarpal as its predictor, because it's an independent variable x, right? Okay. Submit, and we got all correct. Okay, second question is precisely the same, I see. Let's look at the question, x, y, okay, okay, this is the same, we need to calculate r, okay, and then the coefficient of determination is precisely the same, so you can do it. Question number 3 is also the same. Let me look at the table, yeah, I see. So it's also the same. So based on example of problem number 1, you can do it. But number 4 is different. I'm going to solve question number 4. So what do we have? There is positive correlation between tobacco sales and alcohol sales. Does that mean that using tobacco causes a person also drink alcohol? Even without looking at the choices, we can say no. Some people drink a lot, but they don't smoke that much. But some people smoke a lot, but they don't drink that much, which means no. Just because there is evidence of correlation between variables, it doesn't mean that changing one will cause a change in other. And I insist on that answer. Bingo. Okay, this is 10.2. All right. So I have to finish, I have what I have left to finish, 8.3, 8.4 homework, and quiz 8, quiz 10. Okay.